To a quarter cup of olive oil, add 1 tablespoon of minced garlic, 1 tablespoon of Italian seasoning, and half a tablespoon of salt, as well as half of a medium white onion and a box of spaghetti. Go ahead and make sure that everything is coated. And once that's done, go ahead and take a full 14-ounce can of diced tomatoes, juice and all, as well as 2 cups of your pasta sauce of choice. We're going with the vegetable version today, so I'm using a garden pasta sauce, but you can use mushroom or garlic or even a meat sauce if you'd like. So 2 cups of that. It won't be the entire jar, but you'll have some left over for snacks, I guess. Once you have all the sauce on top, we're going to bring back our Italian flag of vegetables and put our red peppers right on top, followed by the green. This is so pretty. Like, it's going to look so good when it comes out. Everybody's going to be so impressed, and it's going to taste amazing. To that, we're going to be adding 2 bunches of basil that you've sliced up with a knife and 3 cups of water. You're just going to make sure that all that pasta is submerged in the water. And this is just an optional thing. You can add some cayenne pepper or red pepper flakes if you like. I just like a little bit of a kick. And once you have all that together, just make sure you toss everything with a pair of tongs and top everything with a 2-cup bag of your favorite Italian cheese blend, or in my case, I'm using this Kraft Melty mozzarella. Just the whole bag goes right on top. And then this goes into a 375-degree oven for about 45 to 55 minutes. I've let this sit a little bit so it's not quite so bubbly and like, the temperature of lava. We're going to go ahead and decorate it with, I've got some fresh red and green peppers still from earlier. So I'm just going to pop that on top just so it looks pretty. Some Parmesan cheese. And then I'm going to be adding just a little bit of dry parsley. Okay, and then last thing that we're going to do is, I've got some basil leaves. So we're just gonna lay them right in the middle, just like that. Isn't that pretty? Guys, look. Look, 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 look. Oh my God, guys, look. It looks so good. Look at all the spaghetti layers. It's gonna be perfect for like a meatless Monday or a meatless Friday. Oh, it's all steamy. And look, the spaghetti actually cooked. Make this tonight. I promise it's gonna be a hit.